In 2015, 4 pensioners pulled off one of Britain's biggest heists. The Hatton Garden safe deposit vault was fortress-like. Steel-reinforced concrete walls, motion sensors, multiple alarm systems. But these weren't ordinary criminals. They were seasoned thieves with a combined age of 250 years. Over Easter weekend while London slept, they spent 3 days drilling through 2 feet of concrete. 14 million pounds in cash and jewels vanished. The Diamond Wheezers thought their age made them invisible to police. They were wrong. Within months, all 4 were behind bars. The oldest was 76. Their retirement plan? Prison sentences totaling decades.